If you are unable to hide cash on delivery option on high cost products, then it can causes you a high RTO. So to solve this problem, this video can help you a lot. I will share the step-by-step process how you can hide the cash on delivery option on high value purchases. So let's begin. So to do this, I'll install the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here, advanced payment rules. Then create a payment rule. Give a title, like I'm giving hide COD on high value purchases. Then create a new condition. I am selecting the condition total amount. Setting it 5000. Select the operator greater than or equal. Now select the action hide payment method. Even there are another options, you can choose according to your need. Then give the payment method name. After that, active the status and save this. Now, if the amount is equal or more than 5000 rupees, then cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. So I select a product below 5000 rupees. Then you can see the cash on delivery option is available. But if I choose a product above 5000 rupees, you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. So in this way, you can do this very easily. So if you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe and share it as much as possible. It can also help others. So I will see you in the next video.